How to allow camera on Ome TV. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow camera access on Ome TV. If your camera isn't working or not showing up while using the app, don't worry, just follow these steps and you'll be good to go. So let's get started. First, open the Ome app on your iPhone. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now tap on Upload a photo. Once you tap on it, then select Take a picture. At this point, your iPhone will ask for camera permission. For the Ome TV app, tap Allow to grant access. Once you allow it, the iPhone camera will open inside the Ome TV app. From here, you can take your photo and continue using the app with the camera enabled. And that's how you allow camera access on Ome TV. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.